Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Brown's Riding Custom. Happy Thursday. Welcome back to the paint booth. We're getting ready to put the one medium white coat of sealer on the two doors and the trunk lid to the 1944 two-door sedan. So where we're at here is we managed to we hooked this door here. It's hanging, and where we did that, it's right here. So that should be pretty good. Big Ron's wiping the doors off. I have papered off the back sides of the doors. And the rubber, there's like a piece of rubber here, foam rubber, that goes up, that keeps the window from banging. Gives it something soft to rest into when it goes up. So got that papered off. Same thing with the trunk. Got it all taped and papered on the back side, scuffed it up with 600, got the edge off. There was a little paint and clear edge right here. Little rough spot all the way around. I took that down with 600 and wiped everything down, and yeah. So now Big Ron's using medium urethane reducer and wiping the doors down, wiping the trunk, and then we're gonna shoot these things. But I wanted to give you an update, kind of show you where we're at. We've been working on this all day, cleaning out the booth, just generally trying to just get everything cleaned up and ready to go. We do have the air conditioners running right now. We just turned them on, but it is about 98 degrees in here, maybe a little hotter. But it's cooling down a little bit as the ACs run. We've had the doors open all day, working on parts and just getting everything ready. I'll show you this up here. Hold on one second. This is how we keep the door shut when we come out from the outside. Jug of coolant. All right, here's our sealer. Shop line, JP37, I think. It'd be dark gray. We did go to Auto Body Express today, picked up another quart of black, 9700 Shop Line Plus. We got about a quarter of a gallon here in the big one, and we got a whole nother quart here. So this should make 2 quarts. This should be half a gallon once you mix everything up, sprayable. So that will help us get to the finish line, I think, a little bit better. I still think I might need another quart of black, but I could be wrong. And part of the reason we're using so much paint is, well, we learned something. We bought Shop Line Plus Ford 9700 black years ago. Well, about 2 years ago, I guess. And when we did that, this is what that looks like. It's black. There's not another color in it. It's not tinted at all. There's none of that going on. But there's also, come to find out from the girl at the paint shop that mixes the paint, there's no binder in it or anything. It's basically just a tint. It's black. It's just black. One color in a can. That's it. So where I thought I was getting Shop Line Plus with a thicker bender and all, or binder, like Don's 57 dash, the turquoise. Since we did black and wanted the blackest black, which this is pretty black, that's what I ended up with. So it's a little bit like water, so you got to be careful spraying it. Yeah, live and learn. We did all right. I think it turned out good. Here's the hot rod out here. Hopefully we can get these doors and the trunk lid done and get them back on here by Monday, Tuesday. The plan is to seal the doors tonight, get them sanded down, go home. Come back tomorrow morning early when the temperatures are cooler and leave the ACs run all night, and then paint the 3 coats of base and 4 coats of clear on the 2 doors and the trunk lid. That'll be tomorrow, which is Friday. And then leave them alone. And then Saturday, start getting other parts ready to go. Sunday, let the doors and the trunk just sit in here for a day and a half and just dry, right? Just cure. And then Sunday morning, come back, wet sand and buff the doors and the trunk lid, and then install them on the car. That's the plan. So see where that all goes. You know, the world's got a funny way of screwing those kind of plans up, but that's the plan. Now something else happened today. We got the you guys probably saw the short. We got the seat risers for the Buick Envoy, seats, I think it is, that we have for this. And again, another temporary set of seats, but it'll get us to Louisville, get us around the neighborhood and that kind of thing until we get our T's bucket seats and T's back seat and all the interior stuff. So kind of cool. For those of you that don't know, I have made a executive decision to do something absolutely insane. I'm going to try my hand at installing the interior in this car. I'm going to make the door panels and all the other panels. We're going to get kind of like a factory headliner kind of deal. That's a plan anyway. Buy the carpet kit that they make for this car. And so that'll get the carpet and the headliner done. And then I'll make the panels. Hagen, the guys that make the fuel doors and the taillights and stuff, they sell a door panel, universal door panel kit, which has got designs and stuff. You can kind of make your own thing. And I might get that. You kind of cut it down to size and you do your whole deal. But I think I'm going to try my hand on it as opposed to spending $1 million on an interior. I'm going to try to do it myself because quite frankly, it's not like I don't have other things that need an interior. Back there, you add all that up and it's probably $50,000. So for the interior that I would want. So I think I can do a pretty nice custom interior in this and maybe build a center console and so on. So stay tuned for that. That's coming. We're going to be getting into that once we get it painted. I think my next thing is to get the insulation in it once it's all assembled. And then I want to really think about getting it flamed and get that paint job done. And then from there, bring it back and hopefully have the T seats here made and ready to go. And we can, get this thing rolling, do a nice jet black interior in this with the candy flame job and the black. It should look absolutely awesome. So that's the plan. Stay tuned for all that. But we're going to get in here and get to spraying. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll post some videos of us shooting the sealer on the doors and trunk lid and where we get tonight. And yeah, stay tuned for all that. Keep your eyes out. Hit that notification bell so you guys know when I post all that. Have a good one, guys.